Shanghai-based firm Fourier Intelligence develops humanoid robot GR-1 to address healthcare demand amid labor shortages and an aging population in China. GR-1 stands 1.64 meters tall, weighs 55 kilograms, and can walk, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks like object manipulation. The robot assists in patient transfer and eases the burden on healthcare facilities and professionals. Fourier Intelligence aims for GR-1 to be a caregiver, therapy assistant, and companion for the elderly. The company specializes in rehabilitation and exoskeleton technologies, bridging the gap between patients and robotics. GR-1 showcased at the World AI Conference alongside innovative prototypes, offering potential to revolutionize healthcare for the